The web is the largest data source on Earth, and it's growing exponentially. Capturing this data provides incredible value to any organization. Import.io is purpose-built to extract, transform, and provide insights on data from the web. What do you need data for? Import.io can get it, and it's easy to use, with a point-and-click interface, easy scheduling, and automated reporting. Import.io can extract any data, even if it's behind a login or across multiple pages, even if it requires an interaction with the website or is just hard to get. Import.io can handle the job. Import.io not only gets this data for you, but it also makes it usable by transforming it into spreadsheets, comparison reports, change reports, and even APIs for integration into your internal applications. Whether you need to monitor competitive pricing across multiple websites, get alternative data for equity and market research, or you need thousands to millions of lines of data and images for machine learning and AI, Import.io is your solution. Web data can revolutionize your business, so try Import.io today.